The thermostat is one of the key components of the engine cooling system in Audi vehicles. It ensures that the engine operates at an optimal temperature, which directly affects fuel consumption and engine longevity. The thermostat monitors the temperature of the coolant inside the engine and controls whether it should circulate within the engine or be redirected to the radiator for cooling. When the engine is cold, the thermostat remains closed, allowing the coolant to circulate only within the engine. This helps the engine reach its ideal operating temperature more quickly. Once the temperature, usually between 90 to 105 degrees Celsius, is reached, the thermostat opens, allowing the coolant to flow through the radiator, where it is cooled down. This maintains a consistent temperature and ensures the engine doesn't overheat or stay too cold, which is vital for optimal performance. In Audi vehicles, thermostats are made from high-quality materials and are often integrated with electronically controlled systems. These modern systems allow the thermostat to operate more precisely and intelligently. For example, in newer Audi models, electronic thermostats adjust their operation based on engine load and driving behavior. This not only reduces fuel consumption, but also lowers harmful emissions. If the thermostat becomes faulty, the engine may either overheat or fail to reach its normal operating temperature. Both scenarios can damage the engine. If the thermostat is stuck open, the engine remains cold, which can trigger the check engine light and lead to poor fuel efficiency. If it's stuck closed, the engine may overheat, potentially causing severe damage. In conclusion, the thermostat is a small but crucial part of an Audi vehicle. Its proper function is essential for maintaining engine performance, fuel economy, and overall vehicle health. Therefore, regular inspection and timely replacement using original parts is highly recommended.